So it's May 14th. Garlic's doing really great. I've got some dwarf snap peas in the ground. They should be flowering soon. And I'm gonna plant some Brussels sprouts. Now Brussels sprouts are a fall crop, but they take a long time, like 3 to 4 months. And once they're fully grown, we like to leave them in the garden until it gets really cold, because the cold weather sweetens them. Planting our Brussels sprout. I've got my elbow length gloves on because I like a little extra length, covers my wrists. I can cover my cuffs of my shirt so that doesn't get dirty. And you can see I'm just kind of really separating them. I want them to break out into the soil. And remember, these won't get harvested until the fall. I'll come back later and I will add some fertilizer. Split the roots up so they go out into the garden. There we go. Okay, so when the Brussels sprouts are growing, they're going to be shaded a little bit by the garlic, but the garlic will be ready to harvest midsummer, and then the Brussels sprouts will have all this space to grow and take up. So it works out well together. So this is kind of considered an early season crop, and the Brussels sprouts are definitely a later season crop. The purple Brussels sprouts. I'm kind of excited because usually they're just green. So these are they're going to have a nice purple tinge to them. And we'll see growth from them, but we won't see them coming into fruit until the fall. But it's a long season plant, and gardening is always about like looking forward and looking back. So looking back to learn from our mistakes, and looking forward in anticipation of delicious food in our future.